We're a wholesaler, so everything involves sales. And so the risk is if we can't properly gather the EPCIS data and get that downstream to our customers, the risk is that we're going to lose sales. Our main challenges before LSPedia, we didn't choose LSPedia at first. We went with another provider of serialization because we thought they were a bigger company and would provide better service. And fortunately, or unfortunately, it didn't work out. And so our challenge was just a bad provider that just couldn't execute on the implementation. Take not days, sometimes weeks or even months to even respond to the issues we were having. Such a fluid market where we're approaching deadlines very quickly, and we have been for a while. They've been delayed, but that just was not acceptable. Back to LSPedia with our hat in our hand, and they graciously took us back. LSPedia has been able to make some key improvements in the product that has allowed us to produce data internally much faster than we were originally. They're bringing customers together to get their input, to collaborate with the development team internally. And so we believe that as the industry morphs and changes around these regulatory issues, which they will, we feel that LSPedia is in a very good position to respond to those changes, respond to those needs in the industry rather, and that we'll be able to benefit from not having to switch vendors in the future. The money that we're spending with LSPedia is a far less risk and a far greater value than it would have been if we had tried to develop that in-house, and certainly against other providers that we looked at. I made the mistake of picking the biggest company that I could find and thinking that that meant they would have a better solution and that they would have better service, and that just wasn't the case. It's turned out to be just the opposite than what we expected. They've come up with a better solution, better service, a more personable approach, and again, working into that partner status with us rather than just another vendor.